Hi everyone, Mark here, founder of GetMaineLobster.com. I got another seafood roll kit. We have our upscale lobster roll kit, and now we're going to do a crab roll kit with our Old Bay butter. The awesome thing about the New England split top bun is you'll see that you have the flesh part of the bread on the outside. We want this because we're going to brown each side, makes it crispy on the outside and nice and moist and warm on the inside. And you should do this for any lobster or seafood roll that you plan on cooking with a New England split top bun. I dip one side, then the other, then flip, and then you just want to keep an eye on it. Whew, perfect. And there you go. The perfect way to butter a New England split top bun for your lobster or seafood roll. Now that we've browned the buns and melted the Old Bay butter, it's time for assembly. So everything arrives frozen, right? So you let everything thaw first. So my crab meat has thawed for plenty of time. The way I thaw any sort of seafood is I like to run it under cold water. So we pack this up. And again, you're getting 8 rolls, 2 pounds of crab meat, and our fancy Old Bay butter. And that's all you need. Pour a little bit right over the roll. Beautiful, beautiful orange color. If you want to have a little bit of green, right, you can take some fresh herbs, some parsley, and just sprinkle it right over to get a nice color. And voila. Let's see how this tastes. Old Bay butter is amazing. Perfect with crab. This is what they do down in Louisiana with all their crawfish and crab. Really good.